They captured the moments and have embraced the living legends of classic vintage reggae music in its era while they were still alive.
Too much. Oops. Critch. Hitch. Yo, does this place have insurance? All right, so I'm not going to talk too much because I came here to play my music. I know it's going to be a little bit Canadian style, not American style, Canadian style, right? And I was born in Jamaica too. So I bring the real hardcore bomber-clad reggae music, you say? Yeah. Say yo! Part of a crew! King Turbo! More volume! I saw them at the front of the club. One of them look scared. They're looking at me, I talk about respect. Now fuck you, nigga. But bomber-clad respect. And a bomber-clad war, I'm coming for fucking war. Eh? So yo, let me tell you something right now. Everybody know MSDROPPINIT, put up your hand in the air. Push your hand.
Yeah. Hear me now. Well, in a sound clash world, Renaissance them clocky not work. Marrow splatter the dub box pull. The magazine in a the 2 Glock pull. And we're watching as the days go by. And we're counting as some songs.
Them years say me broke my leg and feel me name I go there tonight. Who say? Hey, sound I go dead in ya, mama and papa. I'm a Zora, Lord of Moses, Lord of Moses. I'm a Zora. Tonight in a Amazora, King Tabby sound come for kill some town. King Tabby sound out the talk of the town. Hey! Now Indian sound. How me send them back to New Europe? Warrior son, tell them Mattia we kill fi fun. Bossy made send it a Netherland. Left him body stink like alligator pan. The war at Mattia the weatherman. A son boy drop that baby tire never jam. In a Amazua era, murder some boy and yes we no care.
Our message is war, blood clot.
Kill it time you know.
A sound not get murder. Doublers do it. The bad the sound killer.
Level.
In a the beast, but as the
This is new school. This is young sound time now. This is.
Well, a King Turbo sound, me say, look how we dub them tall. Who no know we from them, see we are living top on our clocky boot and cocky suit. The team we go back.
Me where want me and you make it to the tune for tune. Jazzy team, let me tell you.
Egg which blood clot friend from boy, you must see that gunshot and the pussy one that.
Anybody ever go to Toronto know say a beer bad man in a Toronto straight. Sin. So let me tell you something right now. It look like the sound them are boiled down.
Well, a King Turbo sound, me say, look how we dub them tall. Who no know we from them, see we are living top on our clocky boot and cocky suit. The team we go back.
King Turbo is a stepping up. King Turbo stepping up. Oh Lord, whoa, whoa, yeah, it's rolling. My song King Turbo, yes it is playing.
Yo, level. They were talking about them play show, them now play the show no.
I know my song Turbo.
In King Turbo's garden.
Yo, level. Last week I was in Europe, and this week New York. You know what I do?
I've been traveling all over this world.
Yo!
I never see no sound could play like this. Sing, big bad dubplate is in our sound.
Yeah man, King Turbo sound no fear, no sound boy. Derek Morgan said that.
Yeah!
Boy. King Turbo no fear, no sound. King Turbo do.
Yes.
Ooh, Turbo, I love you way every day.
Yeah!
Ooh, Turbo, I love you.
So play me tune right now.
Riddim chuck garnet silk.
Rastafari.
Garnet silk.
Oh, King Turbo again.
Yeah!
Oh God.
Well,
Yo! Say you wanna challenge King Turbo, but Turbo will throw you to the ground.
well.
The trophy goes home with you. You're crazy.
Play me tune under touch. Tune. You know what I'm to them? from early.
Them one time, them one time.
Play me tune on your touch. Tune. You know up to them from early.
Them one time, them one time.
Could you possibly rewind and come again?
Okay.
Win the clash, yeah. Play me tune on your touch. Tune. You know up to them from early.
Them one time, them one time.
Year, we bid farewell to many iconic reggae artists, their legacies living on. Have you taken the initiative to enrich your library with their timeless creations? It's worth noting that numerous successful sound killers have secured victory in the dub last rounds of competition, often with foundation tunings from artists who departed more than 3 decades ago. When those age-old dub plates are selected, can you defend it? Can you respond? Do you have the tunes to spar with the best in the game? These are questions young blood must consider, or I suggest you proceed with much caution. A critic never forgets that dibby zinc pan sound, with the one full sound guide that come on a run up the mouth and don't have no tune. I've got the link, legit to voicing these vintage veterans. These legends are exclusively within reach for Toronto's rising and upcoming champion.
Drop it, so it reads a style and fashion.
Warrior King, Cornell Campbell, Lincoln Prophet, Quench Aid, King Kong, Linville Thompson, Admiral Tibet, Kerry Johnson, Super Black, Hickle John, Major Mackerel. I've got the link. Legit to voicing these vintage veterans. These legends are exclusively within reach for Toronto's rising and upcoming champion sound.